These revolutionary socks are a breakthrough in foot pain relief. They help you enjoy long-lasting, natural pain relief without surgery. Walking, standing, running and other activities can seriously damage your feet. And most footwear is narrow and confining, making the damage worse. As such, 1 in 5 people now suffer from foot pain. And most of them don't even know why. But thanks to a recent innovation, it's now easier than ever to find fast relief. Simply put on these miracle socks and relax. The socks naturally realign your toes and feet, without the need for expensive, potentially dangerous surgery. Most importantly, they help you fix your pain at the source. They're called My Happy Feet socks. They've gone viral since their recent creation. And now 100,000 people are enjoying fast, effective relief for their pain. The socks are finally available worldwide. My Happy Feet socks were invented by Eva Nemcik, a product designer. Shortly after retiring, Eva noticed her foot pain getting worse.
I finally had time to enjoy my favorite activities, but my foot pain made it impossible. The more active I tried to be, the more my feet held me back. I did some research, and what I learned surprised me. As it turns out, foot pain is often due to misalignment of the toes.
Needing to learn more, Eva started studying the real cause of her pain. And what she found blew her away.
When you're young, your feet naturally provide balance and stability. Your soles are still broad, and your toes are properly aligned. Sadly, our feet change shape and function as we age, which can cause debilitating pain. Even worse, this pain can spread to your legs, back, and all the way up to your neck.
Eva didn't want surgery, so she started looking for a natural solution. With her expertise as a product developer, Eva knew she could fix the issue. She booked appointments with top podiatrists and asked them everything about toe alignment. She wanted something that was both natural and easy for anyone to use. Eventually, she came up with an idea for a simple sock product. The socks slowly realign your toes to their proper position, putting an end to your foot pain without using drugs or surgery. She created a prototype, and the result was incredible. Within a few weeks, her foot pain was gone. She immediately knew the world needed her invention. The result of Eva's dedicated passion was My Happy Feet socks. My Happy Feet socks are specially designed socks that gradually align your toes. This minimizes the harmful effects of daily foot stress, giving you quick relief from all types of foot pain. They're incredible for bunions, plantar fasciitis, hammer toe and much more. The best part? They're super easy to use. Just slip on the socks every day. And use the dividers to gradually improve your toe alignment. The longer you wear them, the better your toes will align. For the first week, you only need to wear them for 15 to 20 minutes. As you get comfortable with them, you can wear them for longer. After a few weeks, they'll feel comfortable enough to wear all night, giving you long-lasting relief from foot pain. These socks are recommended for anybody with foot pain. They work wonders on arthritis, bunions, and dozens of other common foot problems. My Happy Feet socks really help people who can't afford surgery. They're doctor recommended and podiatrist approved. Since going viral, over 100,000 customers now love My Happy Feet socks. In fact, they've already earned thousands of 5-star reviews.
They're machine washable, they're doctor recommended.
I've only been using these for 2 weeks now, and my back pain is like 90% better.
I've tried a lot of things and nothing seems to work until I found these Happy Feet socks. I have been using them for a few weeks and it's remarkable how much they relieve the pain. They really work. And now I'm back to doing the things I love. I've been wearing these Happy Feet socks for a few weeks now and look how spread out my toes are. They're so much more relaxed and comfortable.
And have been featured on major national news outlets, including USA Today, NBC, CBS and more. They've also been tested by numerous yoga studios and practitioners. My Happy Feet socks are affordable for everyone and include a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk to giving My Happy Feet socks a try. Thanks to My Happy Feet socks, millions of people can benefit from this easy, safe and natural way to fix your feet. Join the thousands of people who are enjoying freedom from foot pain. Click here for more information.